Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Windows 10 desktop not showing. So before we start, I just want to say to subscribe to my channel for other tutorials. And now we can start. This is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is go to the bottom right corner on your desktop. So basically it should look something like this. And if you're not, if the desktop is not showing, what you want to do is go to the bottom right corner, select, click on the notifications tab, and click on expand, and now click on tablet mode. So make sure that that is off and it's gray, not blue, and that's it. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe, like and comment.